Hi friends, welcome to the another session of our Incredible You coaching.
Hi
Having
TBR.
completed, hi
Hi
Basrishkar,
TBR,
hi,
hi.
hi
Hi.
Ellen, hi Hamid, hi Abhishek. So all are welcome to this session. Now we are entering the uh, last session that is all about success blueprint. So having completed, having discovered our baselines, then having known our codes and got them and codes and got them converted into e-codes, and having observed our outcomes and unleash program, having known our other things like buzz moments, decision making, all those things. Now we have come to the final session of coaching, where we will know about all about our dreams and how to put them into a picture format in the form of a vision board. Now it's all about uh, imagination in this session. That is power of imagination. So as when we are kids, we believe in everything. We believe the possibilities and everything. So as we grow adults, we stop thinking or believing the possibilities. Now this is the time to open up your mind and to dream fearlessly and crazily without any limitation, believing that you are not going to fail, you are going to succeed. Think that think whatever the crazy or fearless you want to dream, you can dream uh, before you die. Ultimate dreams. So now there are certain questions to be answered before going into this vision board. Like this is page number 118 to 123. They speak of the activity here. So the activity is question-based activities which will help our you to come up with ultimate crazy dreams that you want to achieve, to make a visual vision board. So it will keep reminding you all about your dreams that you want to yourself achieve. Purpose of this this session is uh, for you to dream like a fearless person and believe in those dreams, so you can unleash yourself to achieve them. So there are step by step processes involved here, where you will find the dreams. So now step one is read the example of a dream and what it means to have a backup plan, so you can look at the dream realistically. You can dream whatever you want. So then you can have a plan B also. In case if you don't succeed in your dream, then you can always go back to your previous job or whatever the position, so that it will be realistic. The next step is all about dreams. That is, look at each area of your life. Write down a crazy, fearless dream for each area of your life, starting from career to your business, then about friends and family. Then you can think all about your spiritual activities and the personality, and whatever the health you want to possess, or wealth, or then other things like particularly buzz moments. So you have to create your own buzz moments in that, and you have to whatever that dreams you want, you can cover the entire wheel of life. At least one dream for each area of your life, so that your life will be all-round personality. You can develop in all the areas without neglecting any. So now, so there is, you can go through this activity. There are certain you have to dream at least one dream for all the areas of activities. So you can dream that. Thereafter we can prepare the vision board covering the all the aspects of the life. So vision board is a visual reminder of all the activities we want to do, or we want to set the goals for ourselves. So you should cover all the areas of life, like as I said, your career life, business life, family and friends. Then you have fun, recreation, and world tour travels. Then you have all about wealth, possessions, all about health. Then your buzz moments. All those things are to be covered there. It should be like an exciting one, as if the children are going to the Disneyland for the first time, getting so excited seeing all those things there. So I really felt happy when I visited Tokyo, that Disneyland. So fantastic. So now we should open up our mind, think of all the possibilities, so that once you form them into a picturesque vision board, so it will give us it will serve us as a visual reminder. So once you see the things, so they will get ingrained into our subconscious mind. Then subconscious mind takes control. There is a science behind it. So subconscious mind dominates our behavior up to 95% of our activities. Only 5% is covered by our conscious mind. It is so powerful during when you sleep or when every time it starts functioning. Once you put it in the form of a vision board and see it on daily basis, wherever we sit or for a coffee or in the office or in the bathroom mirror, wherever it is, so that we keep thinking of the same thing. So it picks up and it gets ingrained, and it will show us the way, and it will take us to meet the concerned people, concerned incident, so that we can achieve our targets. There is science behind it. So it's so important. Make it exciting and make it a magical thing. Think of anything you like, covering all the aspects. You prepare for you visualize it and prepare for it. So we will meet, we can debrief it after a few, half an hour. We'll come back in half an hour and we'll debrief on the same. So make it a magical one.
Right.
Okay. So, friends, welcome back. I think all of you have done that vision board activity. How do you find it?
Yes.
Is it
Yeah, it's
exciting?
great. It's really amazing.
Very exciting.
Okay, exciting. Really exciting to me as well.
Yeah.
So, anybody other than Mr. Saroj, can you explain your board?
Yes. I'll just share the screen, share screen. I'm just sharing my screen, just check it out. I'll
Please.
explain.
Oh, good.
So,
with the kids
yeah,
holding for you. Fantastic.
Yes. My daughter and my son.
Okay.
I'll just enlarge it. That no, I have taken a very short period of time to prepare it. Okay. So, if I align my baselines into it, my first baseline is leadership.
Okay, good.
So that in the top, this is coach and public speaker. So that I always I am always dreaming up.
Okay, good, great.
So that is my first dream that I kept in the top, and my target is December 2021.
Okay. By 2021, you are going to be a public speaker. Yes.
Yeah. So at least I'll be addressing at least thousands of people. So that is
great.
one of my target. That is the topmost target.
Okay.
And second is always there is something that क्या बोलते हैं उसको टीचर का कीड़ा जो बोलते हैं ना, that is in my my always. So I always wanted to be a teacher.
Okay.
So I already started one that TEFL course, that is teaching English as a foreign language.
TOEFL. Okay. Yeah.
TEFL.
Yes. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Great. That I already started. I already completed 2 months. So 4 more months are required to complete that course.
Okay.
So later by that recreation and fun that I have mentioned, that weekend with fun, that is, I'll be in that position that every weekend I'll be enjoying with my family and friends. Okay, so that I mentioned that I made a very small and and one more thing is riding my own Ferrari. That is in December 2026. That is your possession.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
And I have added some buzz moments into it. That is that singing is my buzz moment. So I have added some sensational singing talent. Okay. That is in December 2025. So as soon as this
Okay.
lockdown is over, I'll start learning that I'll be going to the singing class.
No, are you a
So
singer
this
now?
all,
No,
I'm not a singer, but I'm bathroom
as you
singer
want to
right
learn. Okay, okay,
now. No, I already learned it, but I left it since a long days back.
okay. You
So
can
I need to
resume it.
start it again.
Okay,
Yeah, I need
okay,
to start it again.
great. Mhm.
So that's all. That's a very small
Mm.
vision board. That's
Mm.
all about me.
So, how many? You got 2 kids.
Yes.
Oh, smiling. Good. So,
Yeah, nice. I think.
okay, okay. We can. It's
It was
exciting
the
one.
part, yeah.
So, concentrating all about the coaching and teaching is good. It's a good job. You can transform the lives of so many also in that process by being
Yes.
yourself transformed. So it's a great thing.
Correct.
And can you commit it to for its execution to all the buddies?
Definitely. Definitely. Definitely.
Can you make a commitment now?
Yeah. Why not?
By
I have
standing
already,
up and committed.
I already started my journey. That coaching, that already I have started my journey to give a
No,
seminar in
no,
one pharmaceutical college.
okay, it's
So
good.
that
No,
I'll
to
continue.
give. Okay, it's okay. It's good. Good you have started. But all that I
Yeah.
want to say is, please make a commitment to the buddy group so that we will also
Yeah.
keep
Yeah.
you reminding and keep you pushing all the times to achieve your goals.
Definitely.
We are part of your
Definitely. I need,
mastermind. No, that's what.
yes. I need your support as well. So I'll definitely continue to this. So that's my
We will
commitment
support.
for
We
my
will
body.
support you.
Will support.
Thank you.
Thank you
Wow,
so much.
okay, okay. Wish him all the best. Let us all wish him well. Okay, good,
Thank you.
great,
Thanks a lot.
great. Sir, అయిపోయింది టైంలో
Yes.